from Templeton, Mass, Templeton Fire Department. I'm Chief Dickie.
And I'm Deputy Chief Paine.
This is the first truck that we've got to spec in our career, and it is actually first truck that our town's been able to afford to buy us in over 12 years. This truck will be replacing a 1987 truck that is out of service currently. And after doing our inspection today, I got to say the truck is absolutely beautiful. It is everything that the company, both our salesman and Toyne, has told us it would come out to be. The look of it, all the compartment space is going to be way more than we need. It's a great looking truck.
The fabrication of the Toyne equipment is phenomenal. Everything looks well, fits well. The flexibility, being able to customize things the way you want, it has been a great help. You know, this whole process, like Chief said, it is new for us to be involved in speccing out a truck, and the process was very, very pleasing. You know, it went really well, and we're happy with the product. Definitely recommend.
Going out and actually seeing all of the pieces in the different manufacturing states that they're in, and all the personnel, and they're working very well together. Impressed with the whole process of how things move and how efficiently watching everybody back and forth. Actually, when we were out there doing that tour, we got to see part of the body actually getting put together, and it was very impressive. Quality takes time, and it's well worth the wait. Working with Carl and his group and with Toyne has been a very easy experience. From step one to specs coming in and approving them and working through any change orders were minor if things were done correct the first time. Any change order was really done for something we found we wanted in the product, not a mistake that was made. It was very smooth.
This whole inspection process was very, very thorough. Everything went well. It was very nice. Everybody here was very welcoming. You know, from the time we showed up, everybody welcomed us in and, you know, made us feel real comfortable and very accommodating to any adjustments we want to make. And, you know, the state-of-the-art equipment in the shop was phenomenal to see. You know, it's some really nice stuff going on there.
Very pleased with the experience, and I can't wait to get this girl back to Massachusetts to put in service.
With any luck, we'll be standing here in a few years doing this all over again.